A pleasant day to all of you. I am Jomer Milambiling from the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, third year section D. And in this video, I will be tackling all about the future of the operational management. But before we proceed, let me first tell you what is the operation management. So, operation management involves utilizing resources from staffs, materials, equipment, and technology. Operation managers acquire, develop, and deliver goods to client based on the client needs and the abilities of the company. Operation management handles various strategic issues including determining the size of the manufacturing plants and project, management methods, and implementing the structures of information technology networks. Other operational issues includes the management of inventory levels, including work in process levels and raw materials acquisition, quality control, materials handling, and maintenance policies. So now, let's proceed to the future of operational management. So, what is the future for operation management? The future of operation management can be inferred from its past. While no one can know for sure, our experts anticipates a future of ever-increasing data and technology, including self-drive vehicles and the automation of the low-skill jobs. So what is automation? With the increasing of automation will come sweeping organizational change. Operations are going to reduce hierarchy and make management easier. So while many are concerned about the loss of the low-level jobs, I see that there will be a sweeping change at every level, including the upper management. Previous positions that need highly skilled workers will no longer exist because artificial intelligence will provide a better results without human error. In the future, the most valuable management skills will be the ability to combine the data analysis with the emotional intelligence. This is something that no algorithm can replace and that will be more crucial than ever. Number two is the remote management. So the future will bring remotely handled operation management. Nowadays, there's nothing a remote worker cannot do. It is the possible and it will be the next trend. It may require a technical background. I envision the operation management becoming a high-tech position requiring a highly analytical skill set and product-focused mindset. Um, with Amazon delivering packages on the same day, customers are coming to expect instantaneous result and to maintain competitiveness, operation needs to drive toward the type of success. Number three is the larger focus on the quality labor. So, there are opportunities presented by the technology to build or service faster, a better and cheaper. It's critical to utilize technology, interpret data, source new materials, and identify the talented labor. You must confront labor challenges and build a better workplace and build a better workforce. How do you better utilize your labor force? You need to improve the recruiting techniques and allows you to draw in new labor, but how can you also better train existing staff to advance within the organization? This is the key that area we are focusing on. We strongly believe that we have an obligation to train our existing team to grow and advance internally. Next one is the human resources. The future of operation management is sliding toward creating data, so it can be measured and studied from an objective position. Around the culture of companies' human operation, dozens of reports have came out in the past few years that are confirming that lack of engagement by employees leads to a substantial loss of productivity, or worse, high turnover. In the trust sense, it's the operation manager's responsibility to maximize their operation. The better your culture, the better your operation. The next one is the location-based service. The future will include location-aware devices and smart building that will maintain themselves. For example, an elevator could know that it need a service work through the data inputs and could initiate the repair as a part of a structured workflow. There will be a greater use of artificial intelligence to recognize a problem and start a workflow. There will also be a greater use of the predict analytics. Moreover, you'll see a greater protection of proprietary data, especially if the problem results from data being too available. Finally, you'll find a greater gender equality in the operation management. We certainly have a great female leaders in operation today. That diversity brings a lot of value. So I have here some questions. So the first one is, why operation management perceived as important in recent day? So to answer that, the operation management helps improve the reputation of an organization and thus has a positive influence on its capability to achieve growth and stability goals. Operation management ensures that inside a company can be made efficient through operation management activities, products meet the quality standards and customers' expectation. Thus, satisfied customer also mean the customer buy from you again and referrals, which further improve brands value, giving a competitive edge in the market. Next one is how the operation management be a significant in the future career. So simply put, operation managers do what business need to get done while maximizing efficiency every step of the way. Operation managers work to a convert input such a raw materials into output, such as goods and services. So they facilitate the journey from supplier to business and from business to customer. So the next question is, how can operation management improve efficiency? So operation management helps in managing inventory efficiently by foreseeing problem that may occur in long term, the flow of inventory. So that's the end of my presentation. I hope you learned something from this presentation that I discussed today. Thank you.